just wasn't going to happen for me. Even though I'd had some wonderful success and some great success around the world and big songs and all of that, there were just a lot of people surrounding me that were really toxic and really bad for me. Until I met one person. I was at the SB here in Melbourne, and so out of character. I was standing on a chair, sculling a jug of beer. And this gorgeous man walked in, and from that second my life changed. It was like we'd known each other forever, and he believed in me when even I didn't. He saw where I could go when I didn't even think it was possible. And this week is not just about me, it's also about Rich, because he has spent the last 2, 10, 15, however many years we've been together, believing in me, backing me, fighting for me, being the person in the room, making people see. And I wouldn't be on this stage, I wouldn't have been doing any of this if it wasn't for him. So wherever he is, I'm sure he's out the back not listening because he hates this. But I just wanted to say thank you and I love you, and please make some noise for my man. Because this song is about valuing yourself when no one else does, believing in yourself when no one else does, and fighting to the death for what you believe in, and never settling for less than what you deserve. This is Raining Diamonds.
I'm not scared, a little reckless maybe, till